So one of the great features and benefits of having Apple CarPlay engaged on your new Lincoln is the safety factor of being able to make a phone call, send and receive text messages with never having to pick up a device. This allows you to keep your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road. I'll demonstrate making a simple phone call. Pressing the speech function on the steering wheel, give it a command. Call Richard Clanton at work.
Calling Richard Clanton, work.
So, it can't get much simpler than that. Now, receiving a text message. Now, of course, when somebody does send you a text message, your first response is to want to pick up your device and read it. That is unsafe. But having the Apple CarPlay activated, it's as easy as this. Press the speech function. Read me my last text message.
I found your most recent message from Randy Hickman. I just want to show you the seamless capability of Siri to read your text messages aloud for you. Would you like to reply?
Yes.
What do you want to say?
Thank you.
Your message says thank you. Ready to send it?
Yes.
Okay, it's sent.
Once again, if you do have any questions, please reach out to us here at Hixson Autoplex of Alexandria. And remember, you pick it out and we'll work it out.